Good evening, Jatin. Please tell us which date is your interview?
Sir, tomorrow.
Oh God. In which place? Bengaluru or Mysuru?
Sir, in Mysuru only.
Acha. Where are they conducting? In their Federal Bank office or your
No.
college?
So in different college, the college name is Vidya Vartaka.
Acha. Very good. Excellent. Can you please tell us about yourself, Mr. Jatin?
Uh, Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Jatin Gupta. I was born and brought up in Jalo, Rajasthan. I am pursuing my BBA from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Mysuru. Uh, I did my internship through Indian Overseas Bank, where I gained insights about the financial ratios and the MSMEs. Yes, sir.
Mm, yeah. Can you please tell us about your family?
Yes, sir. In my family, we are three members, including my brother and mother. My mother is a government servant, government service. She is in government service, and my brother is preparing for the government exams.
Mhm. Now, what made you come to Mysuru from Rajasthan for this BBA degree?
Sir, actually, I searched about the university, Amrita. So basically, this university is NAC grade and also providing the BBA course, which is quite affordable from my place. That's why I chose this university.
Why do you say it is affordable? Is the fees less than
Sir,
what is charged in other colleges?
oh, sir, in my area the fees is range between around like 70,000 to 1 lakh. So like they are charging around 50,000. So that's why I chose this college.
Excellent. So good. Which is your favorite subject in BBA?
So my favorite subject is international business.
Acha, good. So in the matter of international business, what are the major commodities we are importing?
So the major commodities are the oil. Like from the Gulf countries, we are importing oil, and from gas we are importing from the Russia.
Mhm. Yeah. So, what are our major exports?
So our major expense for the
Ex-
gold, sir.
no, no, exports.
Or major exports, okay, sorry, sir. So our major exports are the coffee, rice, and banana, and others, cotton and all.
Please check up this. I told you last time itself for you to verify about this. You
No, sir.
should know because I think I must have told you. If you had told international as your favorite subject, I must have told you, or maybe I told some other candidate. Once
Okay, sir.
you mention international business, the questions that can follow are what are the major exports, what are the major imports, and which countries are we exporting, from which country are we importing, and then why should a country export, then what is meant by balance of trade, what is meant by balance of payment, who is the external affairs minister. These questions cannot be avoided. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, come to banking. You said you were working in Indian Overseas Bank and you were asked to study about ratio analysis and also about MSME. Can you
Yes, sir.
expand MSME?
So MSME stands for micro, small, medium enterprise.
What is the definition of a micro enterprise?
When the turnover is less than 5 crore, then that industry is known as micro industries.
Not a correct definition. Correct definition is investment in plant and machinery is less than 1 crore and turnover is less than 5 crore. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
follow? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you visited any MSME companies?
No, sir.
Have you visited our Federal Bank branch?
Yes, sir.
Which branch did you visit?
So I visited nearest branch, which is in Coimbatore Nagar, Mysuru.
Acha. Can you tell us what your experience about it? When did you go? At what time you visited? How was it? What did you see there? What is your comment?
So I was visited at the morning time. So when I visited the branch, so I found that infrastructure was quite good. Uh, the all the things are very like in quite and fine manner. I got an opportunity to interact with the senior manager as well as the associate there. So I gained the insights about some of the key insights about the federal bank, such as the work-life balance, what are their vision. So they told me about that federal bank vision is to like come in the top 5 banks in India. So after that, I spoke with the associate. He told me about the work-life balance that he was working from the since last 10 years. So from that, I can conclude that there's a job security in the bank. So that's what the all interaction.
Good. So, what is the major responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Yes, sir. After interacting with him, I got to know about the responsibilities are first the customer facing. So it is the front end customer facing. The second, the clerical work such as like monitoring the cash and like helping the customer in the like form filling and telling about the services and selling the cross selling other activities.
What do you mean by cross selling?
So cross-selling means other than banking activities, like you are selling the one product. Suppose, for example, if a person come for the saving account, then you sell them, try to sell them the mutual fund, gold loan, and any other activities.
Instead of telling you, you use the word we.
Okay, sir. We.
Okay, good. So, what do you know about gold loan?
So gold loan, basically, it is when you required money, you give we give collateral in the form of gold. So we can avail the money and we can give our we can give our gold to the bank
As pledge.
as a pledge. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Excellent. Now, what is your father?
Sir, he's no more, sir.
I'm sorry. What is your mother?
She's a government teacher, sir.
Teacher. Which classes is she teaching?
Sir, she teaches primary classes like 1 to 5.
Acha, good. Can you recollect during your college days or school days a teacher who has impressed you?
Yes, sir. Recently, I have a teacher who impressed me, sir, whose name is Prajwal, sir. So
Mm.
basically, he supported us in every aspect, whether it is a co-curricular or whether it is a curricular. So recently, I have won the international award for the Techno Business Plan because of him, because he helped throughout the journey of those business plan and all.
What is techno business plan?
So basically, with the integration of technology, you are presenting the business plan. You are creating a business plan and presenting in the in front of the panel members. So you have integrated the technology plus business. That is known as techno business plan.
Mhm. But supposing you are not getting this job, are you feeling unhappy?
Yes, sir. If I'll not get this job, definitely it will affect my motivation. But definitely I will work upon my skills, because I may have a lack of skills. That's why I'm not able to get this job. So I'll work
No,
on my
no,
skills.
no. I was about to ask you another question. Supposing you are not getting selected
Yes, sir.
and you want to start some business, which business will you start? Because you are a person who has got exposure to techno business plans and all that. So please tell me, supposing you have to start a startup or a business, which
Yes, sir.
business will you start?
So the same business which I presented in the techno business plan.
What is that?
So sir, it is an integration of the housing plus food. Like the young adults come, like transfer from the different cities, come into the metropolitan cities like Bangalore in the search of work and education. So they are facing majorly two problems, which is related to the housing as well as with related to the food. So our platform gives this both the one-stop solution for these problems. So I will work upon my business
Good.
plan.
Are you reading newspapers? Have you read about Kotak Mahindra Bank?
Yes, sir. I have gone through it, sir.
What is that?
So recently, the RBI has stopped all the RBI has told the Kotak Bank to stop all the new banking accounts due to the some
All the banking accounts or all the online banking accounts?
so only all the online banking accounts due to some reasons I'm not able to recall that reason.
And also, no, not only it has stopped issuing of credit cards also.
Yes, sir.
Why this has happened is because the infrastructure, namely the internet and say connectivity issues were at problem. There were some days when the server of the Kotak Mahindra Bank could not be accessed by customers on
Yes, sir.
mobile banking and also in internet banking.
Yeah.
With which bank are you having an account?
Sir, Union Bank.
Acha, who is your MD and CEO?
Also, MD and CEO of Union Bank. I'm
Mrs.
not able to.
Moneymaker.
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Moneymaker. Please check it up about that. You must know about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Union Bank. Okay. Can you name 5 more public sector banks?
Sir, SBI, Union Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank.
I said
Punjab
five. I said 5
Bank of
more.
Baroda.
5
Five
Bank
more.
of Baroda.
Bank of
Yeah,
Baroda.
5 more apart from Union Bank. Good. Can you name 6 private sector banks?
Yes, sir. Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Industrial Bank.
Good. Excellent. Now, of these, which bank has got headquarters in Mangaluru?
Karnataka Bank.
Good. Federal Bank has got headquarters in which place?
Sir, Alwa Kochi, Kerala.
Now, do you know about the business results of our Federal Bank as on 31st March?
No, sir, I haven't gone through it.
It has not come. I think it will come only tomorrow. And tomorrow, by the time you are there in the interview, it would have complete check up the online where the results are coming. Otherwise, you tell the results as on 31st December.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the business position of Federal Bank as on 31st December 23?
I'm not aware about it.
You are not aware?
This actually have gone through it, but forgot, sir. It is 1,000 crore profit they made.
1,007 crore.
1,007 crore, sir.
Then I think you must remember them. Doesn't matter. I assume you will read it and go. Okay. Yeah. How do
Sir,
you? Yeah, tell me.
sir, only profit we need to remember now.
No. I have told you what are all you should remember. I have told you what are all the things you should remember. I have given it here. I have been telling it 100 times. Jatin, you must have attended the classes where I discussed this also. The total business of the bank is 4.39 lakh crore. Total deposits 2.39 lakh crore. Total advances 2 lakh crore. Net profit 1,007 crore. You are a BBA student. So you must know return on assets 1.39, return on equity 14.30, GNPA, NNPA 2.29 and 0.64% respectively. And what is the share price? Now, share price of Federal Bank today was there.
Sir, today the market was a holiday. After 5, it was like open.
Pardon, after
After 5, it was open, sir.
after evening 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir. So the share price is around 162.
162.60.
So
162.60. 162.60.
yes, sir.
And the market capitalization is 396. One minute. As on 01/05/24. How much you said? 160.
2.60.
And market capitalization is somewhere around 396 billion rupees. What do you understand by market capitalization?
Market
Excuse
capitalization.
What is market cap? Because you are BBA student, you must know that.
Yes, sir. So market cap is something referred to as market capitalization, the total value of public traded companies' outstanding common shares.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. Number of shares issued by a company into its per market share price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As on date, the value is 396 billion. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the capital risk weighted asset ratio?
Capital risk. No, sorry. No, sir.
15.02. Everything is given here in the material given to you. I want you to by heart this.
Okay, sir.
Who is the governor of RBI?
Mr. Saktikant Das.
What is the present inflation rate?
Present around 6.2%.
No. India CPI inflation rate in March 2024. It was somewhere around 4.65 or 4.85. 4.4. No, it has come down still further than that. If I'm
Till February, it was 5.09.
no 4.
85.
It is given as 4.85. Yeah, and I think in April it must have come down still better. April 2024 of course it would not have come because today only 1st May na. Just a minute. Inflation rate in
So it is 4.55 only.
4.55 na, correct. You remember that. Okay.
So
Very good. What is the expansion of GDP?
gross domestic product.
Who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
Mr. Shyam Srinivasan.
Can you expand IPO?
Initial public offering.
Good. Very good. So you are staying in hostel or you are staying in a separate room?
So separate room.
Do you know cooking?
Yes, sir, I know.
Acha? Do you cook in a week? How many days do you cook at home? How many days do you take food outside?
Sir, every day I cook at home only.
Acha? What is it you cooked yesterday?
Yesterday I cooked sir rajma and rice.
Oh, good. Then always chapati is routine, na?
Yes, sir, but I didn't get time to make chapati, so I eat rice mostly.
Very good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. I'm fine with that.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.